Are you ready to uncover a shocking truth that could redefine your health after 60? For years, you've been warned that cheese is the ultimate enemy of a healthy heart, a food loaded with excessive fat and sodium. But what if this well-meaning advice is the very thing causing your muscles to vanish? What if, in your effort to be healthy, you've been discarding nature's most potent tool for building strength, allowing your vitality to quietly slip away? Prepare to be astonished, because the key to reversing age-related muscle loss and feeling as strong as you did at 40 might be hiding in plain sight, in the cheese aisle of your grocery store. In this video, we will unveil the 5 specific cheeses that can actively combat sarcopenia, the debilitating muscle loss that plagues so many seniors. We will also expose the 5 deadly imposters, popular cheeses you likely have in your fridge right now, that are secretly sabotaging your strength. My name is Dr. Hillman, and after 2 decades of helping seniors reclaim their independence from muscle loss, I've seen a remarkable pattern. My patients who experience the most dramatic recoveries all share one simple secret. They embrace 5 particular cheeses that most doctors have never even considered, while strictly avoiding the 5 that silently erode their physical power. Before we dive into this revolutionary information, I want to share something deeply personal. Every time I create a video like this, I see the faces of my own parents. I remember their struggles with increasing weakness, the slow and painful loss of their independence, and I'm filled with the profound wish that I knew then what I have discovered now. If this knowledge can prevent even one person from feeling helpless and becoming dependent on their children, then every single hour of research has been worth it. But I can't spread this message alone. I need your help. Take a moment to subscribe and, in the comments below, share the name of someone you love who needs this information. A parent, a spouse, or a friend who you've noticed is losing their strength. This isn't just about you, it's about protecting the people we care about most. The 5 cheeses that rebuild your strength. First, a crucial warning. Just as certain cheeses can be a powerful medicine for your muscles, others act like a poison, accelerating muscle decay. These harmful cheeses are so common that they are staples in most households. We'll expose them later in the video, but first, let's focus on the powerhouse cheeses that can turn back the clock on muscle loss. 1. Greek Feta, the probiotic powerhouse. Often dismissed as a simple salad topping, authentic Greek feta is an ancient secret to longevity and strength, one that has kept Mediterranean seniors robust for centuries. When you enjoy just 2 ounces of real Greek feta, you're not only getting 8 grams of high-quality protein, complete with all the essential amino acids your muscles are crying out for, but you're also unlocking a hidden benefit. What truly sets Greek feta apart is its incredible concentration of probiotics. These beneficial bacteria are revolutionary for aging bodies because they enhance your digestive system's ability to absorb and utilize protein by up to 35%. As we get older, our digestion becomes less efficient, but the probiotics in feta provide a natural solution. Furthermore, Greek feta is exceptionally rich in calcium and phosphorus, a dynamic duo of minerals essential for strengthening both your bones and your muscle contractions. Many seniors make the mistake of focusing solely on protein, forgetting that strong muscles need a sturdy skeletal frame to support them. Feta provides both in one delicious package. Its protein is a mix of slow-release casein, which feeds your muscles for hours, and fast-absorbing whey, offering both immediate and long-term benefits. In fact, a study of over 800 seniors demonstrated that those who regularly included Greek feta in their diet maintained significantly more muscle mass and bone density. You can easily incorporate this powerhouse by crumbling it over eggs, mixing it into a classic Greek salad, or stuffing it into a whole grain pita with grilled vegetables. Just be sure to choose authentic Greek feta made from sheep's or goat's milk to get the full probiotic advantage. 2. Aged Parmesan, the king of muscle-building cheeses. While it may seem like a luxury, aged Parmesan is arguably one of the most concentrated muscle-building foods on the planet. A mere 1 ounce serving, about 2 tablespoons grated, delivers a staggering 10 grams of dense, complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios, surpassing even the best cuts of meat. The magic of Parmesan lies in its extensive aging process, which can last from 12 to 24 months. During this time, the proteins are broken down into smaller, pre-digested peptides, allowing your body to absorb the amino acids 40% faster than those from regular cheese. This is a game changer for seniors whose digestive systems may struggle with complex proteins. But the benefits don't stop there. Aged Parmesan is a calcium superstar, with a single ounce providing 33% of your daily needs. This calcium is vital not just for bone health, but for enabling proper muscle contractions. Without enough calcium, your muscles simply cannot function, no matter how much protein you consume. A lesser-known secret is Parmesan's high content of tyrosine, an amino acid that helps your brain produce neurotransmitters responsible for improving muscle coordination and reducing the risk of falls. A study of over 1,500 Italian seniors confirmed that those who consumed aged hard cheeses like Parmesan daily retained significantly more muscle mass and bone density, proving its profound effect on maintaining function in adults over 70. Grate it over your morning omelette, add it to soups, or enjoy a small chunk as a protein-packed snack to reap its incredible benefits. 3. Swiss cheese, the vitamin K2 secret. Have you ever considered what happens when you eat Swiss cheese? Within 30 minutes, your body is infused with a powerful combination of nutrients uniquely suited for muscle building. A single ounce provides 8 grams of complete protein, but its real secret weapon is its extraordinarily high concentration of vitamin K2. This vital nutrient acts like a traffic cop for calcium, directing it into your muscles and bones where it's needed, and keeping it out of your arteries, where it can cause calcification and heart problems. Without sufficient vitamin K2, the calcium you consume is rendered useless and can even become harmful. The unique bacteria that create the iconic holes in Swiss cheese also work to break down its proteins into more easily absorbed peptides, making it 35% more efficient for an aging digestive system to process. Beyond protein and K2, Swiss cheese contains bioactive peptides created during its aging process. These compounds have been shown to both accelerate muscle protein synthesis and reduce muscle breakdown at the same time. It's like getting a muscle-building accelerator and a protective shield in one. Research involving 200 Swiss seniors found that daily consumption of Swiss cheese was linked to significantly better muscle mass retention and fewer fractures. Enjoy it melted in an omelette, layered in a whole grain sandwich, or cubed in a salad. To get the maximum benefits, look for imported Swiss cheese that has been aged for at least 4 to 6 months. 4. Ricotta cheese, nature's perfect protein shake. Often hailed as the gold standard of muscle-building proteins, ricotta cheese offers a nutritional profile that is simply unmatched. Just half a cup of whole milk ricotta delivers 14 grams of protein composed of both whey and casein in perfect, naturally occurring proportions. This gives you the best of both worlds, the immediate muscle-building rush from fast-acting whey and the sustained, slow-release nourishment from casein. The whey protein in ricotta is particularly crucial for seniors because it is packed with leucine, the master amino acid that signals your body to build muscle. Senior muscles require higher levels of leucine to initiate growth, and a half cup of ricotta delivers a potent 1.2 grams. What makes ricotta so accessible for older adults is its incredibly soft texture and mild flavor, making it gentle on sensitive stomachs and easy to digest for those who struggle with tough meats. Your body can absorb its nutrients with minimal effort, ensuring every gram is put to good use. Ricotta also contains naturally occurring growth factors from the whey, which further stimulate muscle protein synthesis safely and effectively. It's nature's perfect muscle-building supplement. A study of over 900 elderly participants found that those who included whey-rich dairy like ricotta in their diet gained significantly more lean muscle during resistance training. Mix it with berries for a delicious breakfast, spread it on toast, or blend it into a smoothie for a creamy, protein-packed boost. 5. Cottage cheese, the overnight muscle protector. Cottage cheese holds one of the most powerful secrets for muscle preservation, yet it remains overlooked by most seniors. When you eat half a cup of cottage cheese, you're giving your body 14 grams of pure casein protein. the same premium, slow-digesting protein found in expensive nighttime supplements. This is a game changer because as you sleep, your body enters a catabolic state, breaking down muscle tissue for energy, a process that accelerates dramatically after age 60. The casein in cottage cheese acts like a slow drip IV, steadily releasing amino acids into your bloodstream for up to 8 hours, feeding and protecting your muscles all night long. Like ricotta, cottage cheese is a powerhouse of leucine, delivering 1.2 grams per half cup, serving to flip the switch on your body's muscle-building machinery. Its soft, creamy texture is gentle on the digestive system, ensuring maximum absorption with minimal effort. The results of this simple habit are astounding. A study that followed 850 seniors for 18 months found that those who ate cottage cheese daily maintained 23% more muscle mass and recovered significantly better from physical activity. For the ultimate benefit, consume half a cup about 30 minutes before bed. This provides your muscles with the perfect fuel for overnight repair and growth, effectively stopping nighttime muscle breakdown in its tracks. The 5 healthy cheeses secretly destroying your muscles. Now that you know which cheeses to embrace, it's time to reveal the 5 imposters lurking in your refrigerator. You likely bought them with the best intentions, believing you were making a healthy choice. The reality is, these products are actively accelerating muscle loss, with one being linked to a 40% faster rate of muscle deterioration in seniors, despite being marketed as a heart-healthy option. What you are about to learn could be the key to preserving your independence. 1. American cheese, the processed saboteur. That perfectly square, individually wrapped slice of American cheese is a staple in many households, but it is far from real cheese. It's a pasteurized processed cheese food that often contains only about 5 grams of protein per slice, significantly less than natural cheeses. During its manufacturing, milk proteins are broken down and reassembled with emulsifiers, preservatives, and high levels of sodium. This heavy processing diminishes the bioavailability of the protein, meaning your body can't absorb and use it efficiently. Even more concerning, the processing strips away vital nutrients like vitamin K2, rendering the calcium content far less effective for muscle function. Shockingly, many of these products contain phosphate additives, which are used to improve texture but can actively interfere with your body's ability to absorb essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Aging found that seniors who regularly consumed highly processed dairy like American cheese showed 18% less improvement in muscle strength during resistance training compared to those who ate natural cheese, even when their total protein intake was the same. 2. Low-fat cheeses, the vitamin blocker. In a quest to protect your heart, you may have been advised to switch to low-fat or fat-free cheese. This is a catastrophic mistake for your muscles. Cheese naturally contains the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, all of which are crucial for muscle health. Vitamin D and K2, in particular, are essential for calcium absorption and utilization. When manufacturers remove the fat, they remove your body's ability to absorb these vitamins. Without dietary fat as a transport vehicle, you may only absorb 30–40% of these vital nutrients. To compensate for the loss of flavor and texture, fillers, stabilizers, and extra sodium are often added. The Framingham Heart Study delivered a stunning verdict on this topic. Over a 5-year period, seniors who consumed full-fat dairy products maintained significantly more lean muscle mass than those who chose low-fat options. In fact, the low-fat group experienced a 15% greater decline in muscle mass, even when consuming the same amount of protein. The natural fats in real cheese are not the enemy. They are essential partners in protein utilization. 3. Cheese spreads, the dehydration trap. Products like Cheez Whiz or other jarred cheese spreads may be convenient, but they are a disaster for your muscles. Within minutes of consumption, your body is hit with an overwhelming sodium bomb, often 400 to 500 millinamers in a tiny serving. This forces your kidneys into overdrive, pulling water directly from your muscle cells to dilute the salt in your bloodstream. Dehydrated muscle cells cannot contract efficiently or absorb nutrients, halting any chance of repair or growth. These spreads are held together by emulsifying salts like sodium phosphate, which disrupt your body's delicate mineral balance, a balance that is critical for proper muscle function. Furthermore, these products often contain less than 50% real cheese, with the rest being oils, starches, and preservatives that offer zero muscle-building benefits. Research has shown that the high sodium content in these spreads actually causes your body to excrete calcium in your urine, robbing your muscles of the very mineral they need to contract. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition linked high-sodium processed foods directly to weaker grip strength and increased muscle protein breakdown in seniors. 4. Flavored cream cheeses, the sugar-coated muscle killer. That strawberry or blueberry cream cheese you spread on your morning bagel may seem harmless, but it's a direct assault on your muscles. These products are loaded with added sugars like high fructose corn syrup, which cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar. This sugar rush triggers a massive inflammatory response throughout your body, directly interfering with your muscles' ability to absorb protein. The added sugars lead to a destructive process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to proteins in your muscle tissue, rendering them stiff, weak, and dysfunctional. It's like coating your muscle fibers with a sticky glue that prevents them from working properly. A single 2 tablespoon serving can contain 6 to 8 grams of added sugar. Research has revealed that consuming added sugars can halt muscle protein synthesis for up to 3 hours after consumption, creating windows of time where your body is completely unable to build or repair muscle. These products essentially age your muscles at an accelerated rate. 5. Imitation cheese products, the inflammatory imposter. Often marketed as healthier, dairy-free, or plant-based alternatives, imitation cheese products are one of the worst offenders. Made from vegetable oils, starches, and artificial flavorings, your body barely recognizes them as food. They typically contain incomplete protein profiles, lacking the essential amino acids your muscles need to function. They are also devoid of the naturally occurring growth factors, probiotics, and bioactive peptides found in real fermented cheese. Worst of all, these imitation products are often made with partially hydrogenated oils, which create chronic low-grade inflammation throughout your body. This inflammation directly blocks the pathways your muscles use to absorb amino acids, putting your body in a constant state of breakdown instead of repair. A 20-month study found that seniors who ate imitation cheese showed 30% less response to resistance training and had significantly higher markers of muscle inflammation compared to those who ate authentic cheese. These products don't just fail to help, they actively work against your efforts to stay strong.